Well, good morning. Apparently, this campground is named after these trees. Ponderosa Grove Campground. And yes, we're still in the same campground that we left you guys at last night. Got down to a balmy 28. Trigger's still looking for lizards. I think I mentioned last night that we had somehow picked up or a mouse in the cab of the truck. We were finding droppings every morning, and we carry some toilet paper up front, to blow our noses or whatever, and it was getting chewed up. So we set some traps. Set two just in case, and just in case was good because we caught two. So now we're kind of wondering where the nest is and do we have baby mice in there? I don't know. We'll set the traps again tonight and see. Yeah, we thought one maybe was in there, and two in there is making me a little bit nervous because I'm not really sure how they got in. One you can figure, comes by somehow, doors open, it jumps in. Two, maybe they're coming in somehow through the engine area. I don't know. Anyway, today should be a good day. Our idea anyway is to get showers and do some laundry. It's been 10 days. Also just do some of the things around Kanab here. Some really kind of cool things. So we're going to do that. Not sure where we're camping tonight. We may be back in this area or just boondocking somewhere. I got to keep watching Trigger. He keeps running off. Trigger! Tricks! Get over here now! For some reason, he's gotten brave and he's going a lot further. Yesterday, he was staying pretty much right around camp. After we get packed up and stuff, we're going to go back up by that ATV place we drove by yesterday and launch the drone and get some shots of the dunes out there. We'll see. So like I promised, we did get a little bit of drone footage there over the coral pink sand dunes outside the state park in the ATV area, and we'll play that right now. Yeah, just a little bit. So, okay. We are going to probably make a stop. We can never get directions to it. Before we get to doing laundry and getting showers, maybe make a couple stops, get that, and then we'll head back out and hit the next two places that we had on the agenda for today. So, see you probably when we find the first stop.
That rock.
Wow, this is gorgeous here. Thought I'd share it with you guys. We're very close to where we're going to stop. And wow, it's gorgeous. We found this place actually about 12 years ago, probably at least. It was just totally by mistake. One of those things, I always talk about having a full tank of gas or trying to have one. And a bunny rabbit went across the road. Anyway, we had gone into Kanab for some reason. I think we couldn't go through Page down Vermilion Cliffs because of the flash flood. So we drove somehow to Kanab a different way. And
it's like, let's drive out this road.
Yeah,
we were looking for somewhere to sit and rest and have our lunch.
And we found this place, which I'm going to leave a surprise here. And I believe it's right here on the right now.
Yeah.
All right, so as the sign says, we are at Best Friends Animal Sanctuary. Anyway, the sanctuary is separate from what we're at. This is Angel's Rest Pet Cemetery. Very interesting place. Like I said, we just found a by accident, saw this crazy place with chimes everywhere. You'll see that when we get in. You may be hearing them. I had to get out and check out to see what it was. Here we are at the gates. Angels Rest Cemetery. So, yeah. So here's all the grave markers. Big Ben, Polly, Moo, Whiskers, Mystery, Tellus Mater, Amaterasu, Kuan Yin, Lefty Eric, Righty. Great names here. This is just amazing. Woo Fat. Impeg Saturn. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that other one. There we go. You can hear the chimes here. It's interesting. The chimes actually have names on them. I mean, I think it's kind of cool, you know. I mean, we're animal lovers, but I don't know about a cemetery. We don't plan on being in the cemetery anywhere, so don't think our dogs will. So these pavers are all in memory of some animal. Oh, let's go over here. I'm going to do a picture from over here first. I'm assuming this is a columbarium for dogs or cats or birds or whatever animal you want. Well, some of them don't look like they have remains, but obviously it would seem that some do. Bo. I had a Bo. I love that dog. I had two Bows, actually. One was B-O and one was B-E-A-U, like that one. Pretty much had a dog my entire life. Very small stints without. Well, as I said, I don't know that... I mean, it's really hard. Dogs, I mean, Trigger for us is like our kid, you know? Carol and I got together after we had, our children, and he was the first dog that we got together. Like I said, we're not planning on being buried in a cemetery, and hopefully he will be buried with us somewhere or scattered somewhere with us. So, all right, let's look around a little more. Twinkie. The Palapets, gone but not forgotten. It's kind of sad some ways. Well, there's a picture of a dog on the back of a Chime. Hopefully that's in focus there. I don't know, I haven't really shown you, but you can see right now, back behind the gorgeous cliffs. Truly a beautiful place here, that's for sure. Well, you can see I've walked back quite a ways towards the cliffs, and there's still cemetery back here. Gorgeous cliffs. And it continues. Look at that. Amazing. There's a Jaja black dog. Interesting name, huh? Chief. Jib. Yen. Abigail. Haven't seen a Trigger yet. Lionel. I know somebody named Lionel. I'm going to walk back here just because there's a rock formation I want to see. Okay, so this is interesting. I don't know if this is all cats because we have over here feral to lap cat, another good cat, a good cat, talkative girl cat, blue-eyed alpha cat, 22-pound happiest cat. This must be a cat area here. See a Dakota. We had a dog Dakota. That was the dog that Carol had when we first got together. I don't know if I can get through over here, but I want to get over to those alcoves. Let's see what's over this way. Let's see here. Can we get to these cliffs? Not this way. Let's go back over here. I like the little jewels-like things people are leaving here. Well, got deer poop all over the place here. I have not seen an opening yet. Like I said, tons of deer scat, though. What do we have here? Is it a trail? Might be a deer trail here. A little tight for me, but yeah, made it. I love things like this. I'll go look. Ah, made it. Oh, gorgeous, huh? Interesting markings on the wall. I love these sort of things. Let's go in a little closer. That's interesting. I don't think it's man-made, but kind of an interesting little shape there. Got all those circles. And then right at the end of the circles, right below them, there's almost like a form. Looks like a pig to me, but I wasn't going to say that. But saw something over here that looked interesting from a distance. Just these stalks here. I thought it was interesting how they came up and met the rock and created a design. There's some more of those plants. Very interesting. I don't know what they are. Guess I could use my Seek app and find out, but well, then I can't photograph for you. Cool design though. I like the dark and light. I just like stuff like this. Cool colors. I was really afraid I wasn't going to find my way back. I was walking and I wasn't seeing my footprints. But it worked out. I think. Yeah. Good. In the clear. Yeah, I bet somebody lost 2 dogs. That's a bummer. They lost them at the same time. Looks like Carol's back at the truck already. This is really interesting. Rabbits. Reno rabbits. In memory of the Reno rabbits. I don't know what that means. Huh. Oh, amazing stuff. I guess we have rabbits here. Or at least one. That collar down there is too big for a rabbit. All right. Well, that's going to do it for our tour of the Angel's Rest Animal Cemetery and rocks up behind it. Yeah, so this may be the end of a video. If it is, thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and we're going to have some cool things on the next videos. So, see you then. All right, thanks.